In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this block from the 5500 Quilt Block Designs book, how I created that block using the AccuQuilt Go Cube 6-inch Mix and Match set. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Tammy. I'm a human being, and let's get into it. So I have the 6-inch Go Cube Mix and Match box set, and I am going to show you which dies I used out of these 8 to create this quilt block. The first die I used is shape number 1, and shape number 1 is the square die. The second die I used was shape number 6, or die number 6, which is the square on point die. The third die I used is shape number 8, which is the rectangle die. And the last die I used is shape number 5, which are half square triangles. Here are all the pieces to this block cut out and laid out. I am using Motor Grunge fabric, and I used my AccuQuilt Go Me to cut these pieces, but you can use your Go, you can use your Go Big, or you can use your studio die with the appropriate adapter. Let me show you the next phase in the assembly of this block. Stay tuned. After all of your pieces are cut, the next thing you do is you go ahead and assemble your quadrants. This block is on a 3x3 grid. So I used my 6-inch cube set, and the finished size of this block will be 9 inches because it's on a 3x3 grid. What I did was I took those half square triangles and I pieced them onto that square on point. So that's what this looks like. And here's the back side. And I pressed my seams open, and then here are those rectangle shapes. Again, pieced them. Here's the back side. That's what that looks like. And so what will happen next is you'll go ahead and you will piece these together, then press them, piece these together, piece these together, and then once these are all together, you just add that on here, 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 and once you have your 3 rows, you sew your 3 rows together, and then you'll get, ta-da! Here is the final block all assembled. If you've enjoyed today's video, I would so appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Here on this channel, I show you different techniques that are off the beaten path from traditional quilting. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.